Oh my goodness, I am zoomed in. How do I zoom out? Hey everyone, I am back at it again with another video. I just filmed, I can't even hear right now because of this. I filmed my shower routine, used all the products that I use every single day and know and love and swear by. No, I do not wear a swimsuit every day when I shower, obviously, but I had to keep it conservative. Okay, sorry for that abrupt intro, but I'm new to this voiceover thing. So, I'm dry brushing my bod. This is good for detoxifying, removing dead skin, and all that good stuff. And then I'm going right into my shampoo. I'm using the Fekkai shampoo and then mixing it with my Fanola No Yellow Purple shampoo. This is great for those of you that get really brassy. It helps just keep it super ashy. And then I'm jumping into conditioner and using MOROCCANOIL, and it's a 10. Because my hair is extra dry, I need both. And then I'm jumping right into my shaving. So basically I use Dove body wash to shave. I've never used shaving cream. I've always used body wash or conditioner. And then I'm rinsing my conditioner out of my hair. I let it sink in while I shave to kind of give me a little mask action. Then I'm taking my Philosophy Sunshine Body Wash, washing my bod, and then my Fresh face wash, as well as my St. Ives Apricot Scrub. And like I said earlier, all of these products are my ride or dies. I love them, so I will link them for you guys in the description bar below. Using my Jo Malone Body Scrub. This stuff's amazing. It is so luxurious and hydrating for a scrub. Kind of expensive, but worth it. And then the last thing I do is turn down my shower to super cold to kind of close up my follicles, close up my pores, make me feel refreshed. And then I'm jumping right into skincare, and the first thing I will be using is the Dickinson's Witch Hazel. And I'm running that over my face. And then next on to serums. So the first one is the Vitamin C Serum by Dr. K. And then I'll be using the Hyaluronic Acid Serum next. And that is a super hydrating serum. Both of these just make you glow, glow girl. And then next I will take my Boscia face cream. This stuff is so thick. I love using it at night because it just plumps up your face and makes you look super hydrated. Rub that in, and then I'll take my eye cream. I'm using the Bliss Eye Cream under my eyes and also on my eyelids. And then I'm taking my MOROCCANOIL and running it through my hair. Yep, and then back to the face, I'm taking my Vitamin C spray and spritzing that. And then back to the hair, I'm using my Oui leave-in conditioner as well as my Wave Spray. And then for body, I'm taking my Nivea lotion and I put this all over my bod. I'm super picky about getting every inch. And then lastly, I'll take my deodorant and run that over my armpits. That's it, guys. Thank you for tuning into this voiceover, and then I'll do a little outro here. So bye guys. I just filmed my shower routine, hence the wet hair and no makeup face. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. What else? Oh, turn on my post notifications, because then every time I post a video, you guys will get a little notification that I posted one, so you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you guys for all the suggestions on videos, more videos to film. I am going to be trying to post more often. I don't even want to say that I'm going to try once a week, but I'm going to try once a week. Love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for my next video.